Parliament saw a heated face-off today. It was time for the actor-politician Jaya Bachchan and Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, who had faced off yet again. SPMP Jaya Bachchan took umbrage to the fact that the chairman's tone when he asked her to speak this during the debate, and in fact during proceedings, Dhankar invited her to speak using a full name, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. To this, Jaya curtly responded that his tone was not acceptable. She also ticked off this chairman, saying that he uses unparliamentary language. Take a look at this fiery showdown.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jayaji,
and I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, you may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair. My tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script.
And viewers, this is the second time during the ongoing budget session of Parliament that an interaction between Jaya Bachchan and Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar grabbed attention. Now, Rajya Sabha member Jaya Bachchan spoke after the ruckus in Parliament, and she said it was very humiliating as an experience. The tone was offensive. Kitna sahan kare is what she says. Jaya Bachchan further added that they say come to the chamber. Why should we go to the chamber, is her question.
It was a very humiliating experience because continuously जो बर्ताव हो रहा है member of parliaments के साथ, especially opposition के साथ, आप जो है इतने आपका जो expression जो tone है वो इतना खराब है और offensive है कि कितना सहन करें। और जो अपना ट्रेजरी बेंच के लोग हैं वो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, बुद्धिहीन बोल रहे हैं, और वो जो है अपना उसके ऊपर अगर हम लोग कमेंट करते हैं तो कहते हैं चेंबर में आके बात कर लीजिए। चेंबर में क्यों? हमारा कहना है कि आप फ्लोर पे बात हो रही है, आप फ्लोर पे जवाब दीजिए। हर चीज में हम चेंबर में क्यों जाए? I objected to the tone used by the chair. We are not school children. We are all, and some of us are senior citizens. I was upset with the tone, and especially when LOP stood up to speak, he had switched off the mic. How can you do this? He said, you may be celebrity, I don't care. I'm not asking him to care. I'm saying I am a member of parliament. This is my fifth term. I know what I'm saying. Nobody has ever spoken the way it's being done nowadays in parliament. I need an apology. From the chair. I need an apology for saying I don't care. He has to care. He's on the chair. He has to care.
Well, let's give you a bit of context as far as the massive face-off over Jaya's name is concerned. On Monday, Jaya had objected to Dhankar addressing her with her full name, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan, calling it a new drama. To this, Dhankar had cited her election certificate, saying that's the name that she has put down in it. Listen in to this back and forth since the swearing-in.
श्रीमती जया अमिताभ बच्चन जी।
सर, सिर्फ जया बच्चन बोलते तो काफी हो जाता।
यहाँ पूरा नाम लिखा था इसलिए मैंने रिपीट किया।
Consequential notification in Gazette reflected name श्रीमती जया अमिताभ बच्चन।
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन आपसे पूछ रही हूँ।
Let me tell the distinguished honorable member, ये पहला मौका शायद है कि मैं आपका भी फैन हूँ और अमिताभ जी का भी। ऐसा कोई कपल मुझे मिला नहीं और।
हाँ, तभी मेरा नाम ऐसा।
On that point,
thank you.
And after the heated exchange between Jaya Bachchan and the chair, the opposition staged a walkout. They want to now move a no-confidence motion against Dhankar, calling his actions an insult against a senior woman parliamentarian. They've also alleged that the voice of the Vipaksh is being silenced. Listen in.
आज राज्यसभा में जो भी हुआ वो अप्रत्याशित था। तमाम ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज को ऐसा लगा कि सभापति महोदय पक्षपात पूर्ण उनका रवैया है और सभापति को राज्यसभा वहाँ पे सभापति महोदय को कम से कम किसी भी पक्ष का साथ नहीं देते हुए नजर आना चाहिए। और ये केवल कांग्रेस पार्टी अकेले को ऐसा महसूस नहीं हुआ, तमाम विपक्षी पार्टी को, उनके नेताओं को ऐसा महसूस हुआ है।
She has not come here as celebrity. She has come here as an elected MP.
And also she comes with a vast experience and she has more parliamentary experience, and I beg to differ from what the Vice President said. She comes with vast more experience than the Vice President himself. With
She has come here as elected MP for 4 times. She has not come here as celebrity. Jaya ji has not come here as celebrity.
Meanwhile, the NDA has lashed out at Jaya Bachchan, saying that opposing the chairman is opposing the constitution itself.
जिस तरीके का व्यवहार उस तरफ से हुआ है वो बहुत ही अशोभनीय है और वो बहुत ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना है। मुझे बड़े स्पष्ट दिख रहा है कि वह राजनीति में धरातल पर स्तर से इतने नीचे आ गए हैं कि वह पार्टी का विरोध करते करते, व्यक्ति का विरोध करते करते अब देश का विरोध करने लगे। जो आज का व्यवहार है, मुझे लगता है कि उनको इसके लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए और सदन की मर्यादा, सदन की गरिमा, जिसके बारे में वो बार बार दोहराई देते रहे हैं यहां बैठ करके, उसको उनको आचरण में लाना चाहिए।
Let's take this across to our guest. Joining us with us is Shaina NC, who's spokesperson of the BJP. Varun Singh, political analyst, is with us. We have Manoj Kaka, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. But let me start with Khaliqur Rahman. Khaliqur Rahman, this started off, and it started off as a controversy surrounding a name that was already submitted in an affidavit, many would say. From there, things have sparked off into an all-out opposition versus, the chairman kind of an attack. And many are saying that, the root cause of this controversy, if that was settled, then why really are things going to this pass?
Yeah, good evening. In fact, that is not the root cause. That was all happening in a very lighter way. But after that, the way our Honorable Chairman of Rajya Sabha has addressed Jayaji, that the very tone of the chairman was quite hurting, and which is in fact very disgraceful, especially for the chair. In fact, we all have the huge respect to the chair, but there is a parliamentary decorum.
Khaliqur Rahman, tell us what is hurting? What is hurting you and hurting other opposition members? Tell us now, frankly. Let's discuss this.
There's something called the tone, and the tone in which the honorable chairman has addressed the honorable member.
Chairman has said that all members, if they are celebrities or not, they will have to abide by the rules. What is hurtful in that?
No, see, because they are all as long as they are in the house, they are all the MPs, they are all the members of the.
So they all have the same rules, right?
Rajya Sabha. Exactly. But there was no need
chairman reiterates that
the
what is the harm?
chairman to say that you are a celebrity. I mean, and it's not just today, because we have been observing the behavior of the honorable chairman right from the day the session started, because his language and his attitude is very aggressive.
Okay. Shaina NC, the language, the attitude is very offensive. In the past, the leader of opposition has also complained that he doesn't even let him speak sentences. In this particular case, it's just a case in point that Jaya Bachchan is pointing out the tone of the chairman, which they are saying is offensive and not respectful of opposition members of parliament. Shai Nancy.
Well, Mr. Dhankar is the chairman of the House, and I think we need to give respect in a democracy, and especially in a parliamentary democracy. This is not as if he has insulted a woman, as is being cited by the opposition. I am one for women's causes totally. And with due respect, and I respect Jayaji a lot, and I personally know her, so I will say there is no big deal if he says Jaya Amitabh Bachchan, if that is what is written in the affidavit. Having said that, I think that, you know, the opposition chooses to only oppose for the heck of opposing. What do I mean by this? You know, sometimes they stall parliament, sometimes they do not allow a discussion to continue, sometimes they're disrespectful to the chair. So please, let's understand that experience aside, keep the experience aside, there is a disruptive force which only wants to target the government of the day. Having said that, please do so on substantive issues, but being disrespectful to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, being disrespectful to the speaker of the Lok Sabha, I think is doing a disservice to our parliamentary democracy, because let's not forget that this is being viewed by Indians world over. And in that respect, in that kind of context, I will only say that if the LOP uses his discretion to switch off a mic, that is for the reasons best known and adhered as per constitutional provision.
LOP does not switch off any mic. I'm sorry. LOP does not switch off any mic, Shai Nancy. I don't know where you have heard that.
What I'm saying.
LOP has alleged that the chairman has switched off the mic.
Sorry. I stand correct. The chairman. I meant to say the chairman. If the chairman chooses to switch off a mic, that is for reasons best known. If there is undignified behavior or if there's screaming, shouting to disrupt, that is the prerogative of the chair. I stand corrected. It was a slip of the tongue. It was not at all...
Manoj Kaka, opposition is opposing for the sake of opposition. तो अगर इस तरह का बर्ताव वो करेंगे तो चेयरमैन को भी उसी तरह से उनके साथ डील करना पड़ेगा. इसको अननेसेसरली पॉलिटिसाइज किया जा रहा है. जेपी नड्डा कह रहे हैं कि आप चेयर का अगर इस तरह अपोज करेंगे तो आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का ही विरोध कर रहे हैं. मनोज काका.
माधव, वहां पॉलिटिसाइज की बात, राजनीतिकरण की बात क्या है? जो देश का सर्वोच्च संस्थान है राजनीति का, वहां राजनीति नहीं होगी, लोगों की बात नहीं होगी, लोगों के संवाद नहीं होंगे तो और होगा क्या? जो चेयरमैन है वो देश के संवैधानिक व्यवस्था के दूसरे, इस देश के संवैधानिक व्यवस्था के दूसरे सबसे सर्वोच्च पद पर हैं, वो उपराष्ट्रपति हैं. तो आपके जहां दायित्व हैं, जो हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने कहा कि पद नाम के साथ आपको पदभान और पदमान भी होना चाहिए. मैथिली शरण गुप्त की माधव 2 लाइन है कि अबला जीवन है तुम्हारी यही कहानी, आंचल में दूध और आंखों में पानी. क्या आप एक स्त्री को, जया जी एक सांसद नहीं है, एक स्त्री भी है, आप उनके किस तरह से उनके नाम का संबोधन करते हैं, उससे ये आप जाहिर करना चाहते हैं इस देश के माताओं बहनों और स्त्रियों को कि
क्या आपत्तिजनक किया गया? मनोज जी साफ तौर पे बताइए, क्या आपत्तिजनक क्या था?
पहचान नहीं है.
मनोज जी, आपत्तिजनक बात क्या थी, बता दीजिए ना.
जब उन्होंने एक दिन मना, जब उन्होंने इससे पूर्व में एक दिन मना कर दिया कि उनके नाम से भी उनका संबोधन किया जा सकता है, और जब आप एलओपी के साथ जो लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है उनके साथ जब आप दुर्व्यवहार करेंगे, उनका माइक स्विच ऑफ कर देंगे, उनके बोलते समय एलओपी
एक करके इश्यूज पे मैं चाहूंगा.
तकलीफों की आवाज होता है
मनोज जी,
देश के दुख तकलीफ.
मनोज जी, मैंने अभी एलओपी वाला सवाल अभी मैंने शाइ नैंसी से पूछा, लेकिन मैं एक एक करके पॉइंट्स आपके पास आना चाहूंगा. सबसे पहला सवाल यह है कि जया जी ने एक एफिडेविट दी, उस एफिडेविट में उन्होंने अपना नाम जया अमिताभ बच्चन लिखा है, और पहले हरिवंश जी, उसके बाद जो हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है उन्होंने पढ़ा, और जब उन्होंने जो एफिडेविट में ऑन रिकॉर्ड नाम है वो पढ़ा, वो उन्होंने उस पे उस वक्त ऑब्जेक्ट किया. आज जया जी ने ही खुद बताया कि मेरा नाम जया अमिताभ बच्चन है. तो आखिर ये कंट्रोवर्सी क्या है इस पूरे मामले में? वही बात समझ नहीं आ रही लोगों को.
देखिए जया जी, हम जब संवाद करते हैं तो एक बात जेस्चर की भी होती है माधव, उसे बखूबी आप समझते हैं. नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी कोई नहीं कहता, मोदी जी कहने से भी मोदी जी का संबोधन हो जाता है. माधव, आप समझते हैं मैं आपके पूरे नाम से और पूरा करने से माधव से भी आपका संबोधन हो रहा, लेकिन जब आपके जो एक लॉ में एक वर्ड है इंटेंशन ऑफ क्राइम, इंटेंशन ऑफ वर्ड, जब आपके संपाद में आप देश के सर्वोच्च संवैधानिक व्यक्ति हैं।
देखिए सर ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो कहेंगे किसी महिला को सिर्फ फर्स्ट नेम से एड्रेस करना भी डिसरिस्पेक्ट है। इस डिबेट पे इस चैनल पे ये भी कहा गया है, एक सेकंड मेरी बात सुन लीजिए मनोज काका जी, इस चैनल पे कई ऐसे भी पैनलिस्ट आए हैं जिनको फर्स्ट नेम पे एड्रेस करने पे उनका कहा है कि ये महिलाओं का डिसरिस्पेक्ट है। तो ये भी एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एक्सप्रेस किया गया, बट वी आर ऑलमोस्ट आउट ऑफ टाइम, सो आई वांट टू ब्रिंग इन फैक्ट Varun Singh on this. Varun Singh, you know, what really are to be make of this controversy? Certainly the opposition has repeatedly said that Mr. Dhankar doesn't give them time to speak, interjects them, etc., etc. But is this case in point merited, where you have the united opposition saying that the Vice President has disrespected Jaya Bachchan, a senior lady parliamentarian?
Oh my goodness. I don't know. I saw that entire proceeding of the Rajya Sabha, and at no point did the Vice President disrespect anyone. Instead, I would say, you know, today now when the Vice President says that no one is a celebrity inside the house, he had to say it because Jaya Bachchan, when he stood up to speak, she was the one who identified herself as an actor. She was the one who wanted to identify herself as someone different from everyone. And I just want to say, Mr. Kaka, that, you know, ignorance of law is no excuse. Here, if Jaya Amitabh Bachchan doesn't want to be identified as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan inside the house, she should write. And the Vice President has categorically pointed it out to her. And I find the tone of Mr. Kaka very offensive to me, or I find the tone of Mr. Other spokesperson very offensive to me. Will it become offensive? It has to be decided. He's the chair. He's sitting over there as a chair. He knows how the house has to be run. He has been insulted so many times.
Okay. Varun Singh essentially saying that one cannot be the judge in their own case. And clearly, of course, in this case, he believes that that is the matter. We'll have to leave it there. Shaina NC, Varun Singh, Manoj Kaka, Khaliqur Rahman, all eyes on the next session of Parliament, where perhaps this matter will come up again, or will it be forgotten? We'll be keeping an eye on that. Thanks so much for joining us.